All right, what questions you got, man?
Just a few things on the So I don't know if you saw that sale today on Euro
Yeah, I
USD.
saw that sale. I called the sale at 3 in the
I,
morning or 4 in the
man,
morning.
I didn't know that was coming.
Shoot,
I didn't know that was coming. Like that's I've been doing good for the past week, yeah, but I gotta know. You see, look at that. Is that the one now?
yeah.
So you called that when you called that this morning?
I called it this morning at 1.19500. Ooh, let me put my phone on the charger.
Yeah, it's all good. Go ahead. That this right here killed me, man. Now you called that because it didn't go past the whole number, like the momentum.
Yeah, right here. And it was
That's why you
support.
called that.
It was support at first. So when it
It was
broke through
support
the
at first.
support, all I
Yep.
did was wait for it to come back to this area.
And you knew that it was gonna go down there.
Well, we were already in sales. So all I was doing was following the trend.
Yeah.
So that's not no cheat code or nothing. It's getting weaker, 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 weaker. Why would I
Now
not?
my damn. And it's right in my face too. That's the funny part. It's right in my face.
Let me
Like
grab hold on.
all I've been waiting for was supports and
Mm-hmm.
resistance. That's all I've been going off of. And whole numbers.
And it makes a big game changer, right?
Man, you don't even understand, man.
Big difference, right?
Man, I had one. That one I sent you was like almost 5 grand. I made overnight. I kept it. I think I forgot how do you say because I set it to where it's like 11-1 market execution.
Yeah. And you just put your price.
But my question to you though, like how would I set it to my 250 or 550 if I start with
I'll have to see are you on MT? What do you have? MT4, MT5?
MT5?
It should say price, like a enter price or something like that, and you should be able to set it manually.
It don't have that.
Can I see because I can't see it goes
Sorry.
blurry. It goes blurry, like,
Oh, it goes blurry.
yeah, like completely blurry.
Damn. Um.
Your background's blurry. I see you, but it's just blurry, like on the sides.
All
But
right,
you,
hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see if I can do something real quick. Cause I am I so blurry?
hold on, let me open the screen. Uh, Here, I'll show you what it looks like. Hold on, put the camera back up.
I really can't even see. Hold on. Let me press this real quick. Oh, now I can see you now. Yeah, it's still blurry. I know what you're saying. I get what you're saying now.
Yeah, it's like it's just white.
It,
I can't see
it's just
what.
white in a camera, especially for you. It's totally white because I got the black. I got the screen on. That's why
Hmm.
that other screen. Damn, it's blurry.
It should say. Hold on, give me 1 second. Give me one
Yeah,
second.
yeah, yeah.
Give me 1 second, because it kind of looked like mine. I'm over here trying to squint, and I know I'm not even on your side. I'm like, God,
You have the same thing. You got it better than mine,
hold on.
bro. I should have really put
It should say
sell on.
take profit, stop loss.
Yes, that's what my okay. But right on top, there's negative and positive numbers.
Yeah, all in the middle of it. What do you have? Those middle
Well,
numbers.
it's the demo account, so it's 11.01.
Okay, and what are you wanting? More or less?
I wanted to feel like I'm really doing it with my. You said we're gonna start with 250, right? So
So
250
you would
or
want you would have to make a new demo account and because what do you have it at, like 100,000 or twenty
but that's
thousand,
what it came
10,000?
with. That's why. Okay, so I'll
Yeah,
have to start over.
I think yeah, you have to start a new demo account. I don't think it goes down to 500. I think it only goes down to either 1,000. I think it
Okay,
goes
that's
to
good. That's
down to
even
a
better. I'm
thousand.
gonna start with 1,000. So
Yeah.
that's good. Okay, so I'll have to do 1,000, but then what do I put the numbers for? Because that's what really dictates how much I'm
Started
gonna
at
make.
what you're at the 11.1 now, you said,
Zero,
right? Do you like
yeah,
that?
11.01.
You like that?
For me, yeah, I ain't gonna. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been
What is the when you place a trade, what is it in drawdown? Like what, $10, 20, 30, 40, what? Like when it's moving and fluctuating, where do you see it
it's moved like it
moving?
moves like
Yeah.
it would hit. It'll be a $22, but then it'll go to 100. Then it'll go
Mhm.
to 55. Then it'll go to 88.
Okay, so you comfortable with that?
I I kind of
See what the thousand lets you do because you got to see the leverage it'll give you. It might not give
yes.
you a 100K leverage like that.
Yes. So okay, so back to the screen. You saw it because do you do the high or the low lows or some shit like I learned some I don't know if you heard it before. Like when they say it hit the high and then there's a low.
Yeah.
I I don't know if that I don't know if you know that or I'm
I
not
know.
trying to bring the old into the new, but I'm just saying
No,
like
I know what you're saying.
this part right here that you saw and I'm looking at it, I see it too. It didn't go above.
This is your lower high.
Yes, that's my
This
lower
is
high.
your lower
Yes.
low. This is your
Yes,
lower
yes,
high.
yes. Yep.
But you're not since you didn't make a lower low, you technically didn't make no lower. I so some people would call this a higher high, but I would just call this neutral. I would just
Neutral.
call you know what I mean? Like, and this is just me
Yeah.
making that up. This is not, you know what I mean?
No, no, no.
I'm just
I
calling
trust
this
me.
this is neutral. So I'm not gonna call this anything under. I'm gonna call this, buys. Like this is still I'm not gonna call that. So lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Like all I did was just hop into it
But that's what's crazy to me is like how do you hop into that? Like I know,
at
trust me, I
lower
know
high.
what
I'm not hopping in it at lower low. I'm hopping in it at lower high.
lower
So that's
high
why I was waiting for it to come up to this 500 because that's the lower high. Why I chose this area is because it was
because it was a resistance before.
support.
Support. It was a support.
But when it was resistance, look what it was doing. Like it was just straight dropping. If it was over
Yeah.
here, it was just straight dropping.
Yes, yes.
So I'm just
Just
gonna just straight drop, straight drop,
mm-hmm.
straight drop. Okay, that's one confluence. It broke support, became resistance. That's two confluences. We're at whole number 500. Three confluences. We're already in sales. Four confluences. You know what I mean?
Nah, and I already know the stop loss. Listen,
Mm-hmm.
I got a lot of within a week. Can you believe I got a lot of shit down just by being on the app
Mm-hmm.
and just playing with it and figuring out okay how to put my stop loss and
Mm-hmm.
bro, it came like information, just you talking and me going through the videos. Everything just came like this, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Swear. Now it's just about implementing it, like putting it on the charts. Like, all right, I did that wrong. Next time, don't do this. Like, that.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm trying to do right now with you. So
Are
now I
you
gotta
cool? Are
go
you
off.
cool with me? Cause I need to upload a YouTube video today. Are you cool with me using this video?
Yeah, I'm fine with that. I don't really care.
All right. I just want to
Cause
ask.
everybody need to learn, man. Like
Yeah, because
everybody
like
is.
you see everybody's videos. I just posting
No, I
everybody.
see it. Trust
Yeah,
me, I seen what it was yesterday. People well, when I was like, yes, yes.
I'm trying to keep posting, posting, posting. It's
Nah,
not
man,
easy.
but this is like this is it, man. Like it's just this part now. Now I see what you're saying. Like it didn't go up past that. I don't really have no issues. It's just about entry and take profits. Like
Well, those are at whole numbers. So how
the,
about we
the
just process some elimination?
okay.
So where do you
It's
want to enter? You can't say I'm going to enter at 1, 2, 3, 4. So where are you going to enter?
nah. When that's not a whole number, I'm not doing that. I
So
gotta do
okay,
whole
so it's a
numbers.
whole number. So process of elimination. So you can okay, where you gonna enter? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Where does it look like the candlesticks are are making noise at? Making noise, making noise,
Making noise.
making noise. Like you're making noise right here. Okay, you making noise right here. Okay, you making noise right here on 500. I'm gonna be where you're making noise. Do I take L's sometimes? and take and hit
Of-
right here and comes down and
yeah,
it does that, it is what it
yeah,
is.
yeah.
But when I'm in, you know what I mean? When I'm in, I'm
I
in.
saw I saw you post this morning. You was like, "Yo, if you losing, take your money out right away." I was like, "Yo, that's for real."
Well,
Like,
because it's
cause
like just take your profit because like I was saying,
yeah,
are you cool with $700 a day? Are you cool with $800 a day? But if it's turning around, I'd rather just take my profit out because when
yeah,
I sell the losing the trade, it wouldn't make sense if I already got 700, it wouldn't make sense to take a L.
yeah, yeah, man. Like I don't even mind 250, 350 to tell you the truth a day. You know, until I get to that comfortable spot where I know, okay, this is a downtrend. Boom. I'm gonna put my thing here. Like that's what I want to get familiar with. You know what I'm saying? I'm not there yet, but
And
we
my
gonna get
thought
there.
process with this trade was you can't, if you go any higher than this, then I'm already too focused on sales. I made a post saying my focus is on sales today. So if we get
Yes, you did.
any higher than this,
Yeah.
I'm already like, this is some buy stuff. Like it would already be an L. So I'm waiting for the sale. All I'm gonna do is just look at price and look at 500, 600, 700. So if it went
If
up
you
to 600, I would have took an L. It just played out. That's it.
if you higher than that, yo, that just made me yo. If you're higher than that, it would be buys, which is so true, bro.
Mm-hmm. Because then I would have missed the buy right
You
here. I
got
probably would have
you
missed
gotta
the.
send me that you gotta send me this video. I'm gonna go over the video again.
What other questions you give me? All the questions that you feel like any beginner, anybody that they would need, so I could just get everything.
You know what? I know I have noticed like just you gotta be on a charge every day, bro. Like you don't even gotta trade.
Mm-hmm.
Just look at it.
That's literally how this became. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like,
And I now that you just said, oh, I called out this morning. But how the fuck but you looking at the trade?
mm-hmm.
So that's what I'm saying. Like, and every day I'm looking. You can ask my girl, like, oh my god. I'm like, so how you expect us to? You know, we gotta win. Like, I gotta look at it every day. Like,
Um, how good? When you gonna feel like you
I
said you
I
already know
still
what I'm
gotta,
gonna say.
yo,
You
it's
already
a
know what I'm
feeling.
gonna say.
Like, I gotta beat my chest at that time. Like, yeah,
Yeah.
I'm ready, and I'm not there yet. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I'm invested. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm
Mm-hmm.
motivated. Like, I see what.
When you ready, let me know.
Now, definitely, of course. Come on, every day I'm looking at this shit. In the morning, I'm looking at it. In the night, I'm looking. Like, I'm just
All right.
trying to get familiar with it. But
Mm-hmm.
I'm like like I'm gonna tell you to tell everybody keep looking at these like on your day off.
You have to.
I got this shit in I got it in the bathrooms. You know what I'm saying? Like I got man, is
The
the
reason
laptop is
why
going.
the reason why is because I tell people you gotta let the market breathe. So I need to see something.
Yeah.
You gotta let like what is it doing?
Yes.
Like you can't just
Yeah.
take a sell or take whenever you gotta let it
Yeah.
breathe. And then when you start seeing the market and you're like, hold on, we dropping right here,
Yeah.
we're dropping right here.
Here.
Why
Yeah.
would it then it shouldn't be nowhere past up here. So that means we're in this area. So that
And
means if it comes
you
up,
just
I
gave
just need to know
you
where.
yep, you just gave cool points just now. Like that even makes sense. Like it's already in sell. So
Yeah.
once it didn't go up there,
You're just waiting for where we gonna turn around.
now my question is, you see how you got the take profit, the green part.
Hmm.
How did you know to go? So you just went all the way down to the last resistance?
No,
The last
no,
support?
no. I didn't go all the way down here. This I was just messing with this, but I didn't take this trade all the way down here. No, this is
Okay.
current right here, right now. I probably
Yeah,
got
and
out around here, but not all,
yeah.
not all.
That's where I would have got off right at the support
Hmm.
right down there. I would have
Yeah.
take profit.
Well, and for sure, right here, yeah, that's where I would have got out for sure,
Yep. Cause
for
I
sure.
asked you that 2 days ago. I actually like, where do I take profit at? Like, man,
Where there's too many buys, where there's too many pop up areas. So if I'm selling, why would I want to be playing in this?
yeah, nah, man. It's going. I'm telling you, it's gonna happen soon. But like I said, just keep watching the charts to tell them, man. Just keep
Hmm.
watching the charts, man. I'm telling you, and be on the demo account. Lose, win, it's gonna happen.
Hmm.
It's gonna happen. You're gonna click. Everything's gonna click. Like, watch the charts every day, bro. But that's about it. That's for right now. That's it. You know.
All right, man. Just send me a
I,
text whenever you need any
nah,
help.
definitely, 1,000%, man, one
All
thousand
right,
percent.
brother. Enjoy your night,
But
man.
yeah, you too. Your weekend, man. Be safe.